Yo, what's up, guys? What's up, everyone? How's it going? Are y'all good? I guess I'll keep that on for now. Give you guys a chance to come on in. Let me clear my desk. Hey, what's up, Dead Rabbits? Yeah, of course. Of course. We'll even start with that. What's going on? What you guys up to?
Welcome to Bags
Hey,
TV.
welcome to Bagsy TV. Ya Chan, how you doing? How you doing? What you guys up to on this Monday? Someone said the same people that pump Sonam will pump Everix in a day or two. Interesting. That's a good way to get me to chart it. I don't know if those two assets are correlated. We could take a look at that. Okay, let me get this chat on so I can see all your messages. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, I think that works now. You're good? Losing money on shitcoins? I know the feeling, dude. I know the feeling. 5 minutes. Yeah, coffee and coins. We'll definitely wait 5 minutes for you, bro. We'll definitely wait. 38 on Periscope. What's going on, guys? You here for some shitcoins? You here to talk markets? You here to hang out with me? Alright, where's that post? So yeah, so right now I'm doing a competition on FTX. And basically the rules are I deposit $100 into a Moon or Doom account, and I'm only allowed to trade the Moon or Doom contracts. For those of you who don't know what Moon or Doom is, basically it's the name that they gave their 10x leverage contracts. So Moon would be long, Doom would be short. So I can only trade 10x long or short contracts, and it's for 48 hours. So right now, let's see what our wallet looks like. We still have $55 in USD. I bought a 10x Ethereum long. Like, what was the price? We'll check that after. And I bought a 10x XRP long. They're both a bit underwater, unfortunately. So I'm at 93.71, but I'm not cutting those positions yet. Gonna wait to see what the daily brings. Hey, what's up, Chuck Live? Yeah, what's up, Crislin? What's up, Cine? How you guys doing? So yeah, this is just like a warm-up. It's between me and like 7 other people, I think. And yeah, it's just for the shits and giggles. Basically, I opened a bunch of positions across different contracts, so potentially gonna catch a knife or two. We'll see how that goes, you know. Am I still balls deep in anal? No, sir. No, sir. All right, let's do some. Let's collect the list. Shit perpetuals. Yeah, and shit perp is actually a contract on FTX on the exchange. It's an index of shitcoins, and you can basically long or short it. Tracks the price of a basket of low market cap coins, so it's a compilation of. Hold up, where is this shit? ABT, basically this whole list. Interesting. That's a lot of shitcoins. So if you're bullish or bearish on shitcoins, basically you can fuck around with that, which is pretty cool. Yeah. What's up, Monkey Juice? How you doing, man? Are you feeling comfortable trading on FTX? Yeah, so far so good, man. Yeah, I haven't had any issues. So far, so good. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so that. Let's look at this long list. See a coin. I actually have a position of that still open. RSR, Cardano.
Hey you, welcome to Bagsy TV.
Hey, welcome to Bagsy TV. ZZ, Zlilzy. Not receiving SMS Hotbit. What should you do? I got no idea, man. Maybe well, if your account is KYC'd, I mean, they should be able to reverse it. Perhaps you could email support, see what they say. Have you tried this SMS before, or is it the first time you're actually, you know, testing it out? If it's worked in the past and it's not working now, then there's a problem. I guess make sure no one changed your number, but if it's the first time you link up your number in order to log in or to receive a 2FA code, I mean, once you get it to work, I'd definitely change that to Google Authenticator. It's a lot safer, you know? Hey, thanks for the retweets, guys. Much appreciated. Alright, what else do we have in this long list? NOIA. Kinda like that name. Bittrex, interesting. Fucking daps. Alright, cool, that's the list. You guys bullish right now, bearish? What do you guys think of Bitcoin right now? $10K, then dump till oblivion. You think it's a manipulated scam?
Hey you, welcome to Bagsy TV.
Hey, what's up, crypto and more? Welcome to Bagsy TV, man. Alright, so I mean, I'd really like to see us reclaim 10K. I'm stupidly bullish. Until we fall out the sky, I'm still leaning bullish. But I mean, one level that a lot of people that I know are looking at is the 10.4, which we haven't been able to really get back above since back in early September. So that's an interesting pivot to this range that we're in right now. Another level is this 10K region. I'd really like to see us, you know, get back above that, test it, and then if we get above, then like that's, to me, that's confirmation that we're probably going to trend higher. However, like to me, like, you know, people joke about that 10,000 level. You know, like, oh, it's the last time we'll see 10K. You know, 10K is a really important level for people psychologically. So just beyond it being a pretty number, to me, it's also an interesting gauge of the market, I think, especially since we are kind of pivoting around this level. Not exactly, but it's an important level, and we've seen it act as support several times before, and resistance. So you're scared for Bitcoin, says Chucky Live Forever. Yeah, man. 8,500 slow dump, then moon. 5K Inc. Yo, Sine, if Bitcoin reaches 5K, actually, you know what? No, I'm not gonna say anything like that. I'm not getting into any wagers I can't afford to get into. You have your XRP bag running for 50%, mostly lost, waiting for daily close for Ethereum. Zero stop loss for now. 7,400, says Maya. Can I chart ERD? Sure. Sure. Might even be in there, but no, it's not. Alright. Let's keep going. Yeah, I'm feeling this music. Let's start on the weekly. So, smack into high time frame resistance. Really nice 2 weeks prior. But for now, I mean, if you want to play the longer term game, I guess, waiting for a weekly close, first of all, above 21285, and secondly, even 22196. If you can see a weekly close above this level, I mean, and it might not even retest it. Obviously, if we were like broke past and retested perfectly, that would be a really sweet long. However, you know, shit doesn't always play out the way you want it to. Another interesting level would be around here. And after this, I'll boil it down to lower levels and see what we can find. And these are just like extreme scenarios. One level that could be interesting to long from is 0.020138. So here, and here. Obviously this level would be like the most logical, but if things are bullish, I don't think we'd see that much of a retracement on it in the first place. Like, that'd be a bit beyond a 0.5 retracement. It's possible, but so far I think as long as we remain within, within this range, shit's pretty bullish. I think we could see a dip into it, definitely. Something like this. But I think as long as we hold this level, we could get this nice inverse head and shoulders meme going. Looks like an ugly smiley face. You guys already know by now that I'm not much of an artist, so be careful, malicious low-key scams you into wages. As you can look at Ethereum BTC on the 4-hour. Sure, what's up, Poppy?
Hey you, welcome to Bags TV.
Welcome back to TV, Sirius 2145. 4-hour. Yeah, and this level actually corresponds to what I'm talking about as well. This is pretty much the level. But for that, I'd like to see a wick. Nothing, like no closes. I wouldn't want to see like this type of slow bleed, you know? I'd rather see like a quick wick and then something to this extent, or you know, maybe even take out the stops here, because I'm sure a bunch of longs have been piling their stops at this level, so you can see something like that. This is the most bullish situation, ideal, and this is what I want to see. I like to see this level hold on a closing basis, but I do think we could see some particular shit, some volatility, just like we saw here. Oof, that stopped out a whole bunch of people. That's really that's painful to see, you know? Painful. So yeah, I'm overall, I'm still bullish on this asset. Let's go on the CCI. mean, yeah, I wouldn't have the guts to short this at this point. Not at least until we, like, until we fall out of this. Okay, I tried Dusk. Yeah. This is a lot of coins, guys. We're gonna have to make this quick. Shit. 1 second, sorry. Yeah, fuck it. You could short the USD. Yeah, you could do whatever you want, my friend. You can do whatever you want. Okay, what was I doing? So yeah, so overall bullish until okay, so next EVX. Let's go on the weekly. Let's compare it to Sonam. Huh. Did Sonam even pump? Yeah, it did. It did like a little fucking... I don't know. I don't know where you heard that, but it's possible. I'm gonna put it past it, but yeah. Yeah, so this is the shitcoin perpetual. I mean, this, if you're bullish on shitcoins, this would be an interesting place to long. But do you have the guts? That's the question. You could even see something up to that. That would actually be a safer bet, I think. But I don't know. I didn't do link already, no. I did not, sir. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, so if you get a daily close beneath like 665, yeah, I don't know if like if Bitcoin goes on a tear or dumps. I'm curious to see how the actual shitcoins are going to react. You know, because they've been going through correctional phases as of now, but you can still see that we're overall in a downtrend, at least since July on this particular index. So I like to see if we're going to be able to hold this higher low. That's the first thing on the daily. So we'll see how we close in a couple hours. Yeah, Daps is there. Yeah, it's funny, right, Radu? Alright. See yeah, Coin honestly looks good. Yeah, bullish div on the CCI. Daily is looking good. Yeah, this looks very good. I wish my POC would pop up. That'd be nice. Thank you. Alright, hold up. Gotta make a chart quick. Let's get some yellow up in here. Bam. Gonna keep that for later. Cool. Let's go with RSR now. Yeah, booty coin, my man. Yeah, so RSR has been pretty straightforward. Retested POC, rejected at 27. It's been respecting this for quite some time. I posted about it a little while back, and like this was entry, exit. So for now, I mean, personally, if it could get back above 27, if it could hold this 24 level that we're at and make some type of daily close above 27, 28, that would show me that, you know, that there's some real strength behind this. For now, it's just a bearish retest of the mid-range. So, I don't know, I personally wouldn't be in position as of now. Not until it, you know, gets above 27. Cool. Cool. Alright, let's go with Cardano. Hey, Big Daddy Perps. Speaking of. Hold up, I gotta drink some water. Yeah, this mask is a pain to take off sometimes. Let me just make sure my fucking face isn't showing. Alright, we're good. 1 second. Oh. So yeah, Cardano right now. Yeah. Interesting. Bearish retest of this lower low, rejected. So far, we haven't closed the daily yet, but daily candle isn't looking bad, but preferably I'd like to get over 500 on the daily close, above this candle close. If not, I mean, we might dwindle into the POC ones at 469. Overall, I mean, it's been making higher lows. So far, this seems to be okay. So as long as we stay above like that 470 area. Here, let me actually 478. That's gonna be the $576 could be an interesting target to the upside. Like this area. 577, something like that. Bearish target would be this area, 431. Something like that, yeah. I think Raven's on the list as well, to be quite honest. To be quite honest. Alright, let me get this thing back on. Sorry, guys. All right, let's get this cam back on. One. Right, so first thing, bullish divergence on the CCI. What I don't like is that the CCI isn't rounding out as a divergence. It's actually growing it's growing increasingly bearish, so I wouldn't be comfortable longing this yet. Also, I mean, once we lost this level, we didn't even successfully bearish retest that 84. I didn't even reach it. So, I mean, for now, fuck. This is a tough one, guys. Okay, hold up. So when we do correct, I think 78 would make a good target. I think we'd see rejection at least on the first try. So, you know, let's say it goes down one more level, whatever, consolidates, moves up. I think a lot of people would be selling here. And for now, bearish 78 will be key level 39. Boom. Mute him. The Huobi special. I mean, we seem to have just reclaimed this to the upside, and this is the level that I'd be looking at. May have faked some people out here. I mean, volume is still... I mean... hold on. Yeah, like I'd have a stop at 31 here. I don't want to see price lose this. Like this would be the area where I'd want to see it go up, basically, to confirm, you know, bullish continuation. If we can't keep 32 as support, then I'd get out and I'd look for a... I look to rebuy.
Hey you, welcome to Bagsy TV.
Around. Hey, welcome to Bagsy TV. Let's see. Who are you? Ogma Fox. That's a good name. So yeah, bearish target and bullish target. Yeah, somewhere around here. I'd even go here. 43. Yeah, that's a nice little target right now. That was an obnoxious T2. I guess it's T1. Yo, what's up, Panama? How you doing, bro? What's going on? Yo, dude, if you're not up to anything, you want to come on right now? I mean, I know you have a life, so I bet the answer is no, but you're more than welcome to regardless. Okay, what is this shitcoin? NOIA. It's a lot of volume on today's candle. A lot of indecision. It's indecision at support. I mean, all right. Man, these shitcoins are hard to chart sometimes when there's just like not much price action to go off of. That 12-hour looks pretty bad. What is this? Okay, well, I mean, so far you have some, you have a bullish divergence here on the MFI. You almost have a second one here. It's not confirmed yet, but I think price closed the same. So, no, it actually made a higher low, so it's not a divergence. However, there's something to be made of it still. I'd be bullish here if we end up completely breaking beneath 300 sats. I think that's 300 sats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 301 sats. Then I'd start worrying. Oh shit. Panic. I hate that word. Yeah, sure. Alright, cool. 1 second. 1 second, Mr. Panama. How do I do this? Okay. Uno momento. Hold up. Oh, okay. Alright, I'm gonna get you on, bruh. Alright, check your DMs on Twitter. Yeah, let's get Panama on. Cool. AGI, it's got news? Ooh. News, you say. Bum, bum, bum. What the fuck? Bitfinex. Jesus. I mean, this could be an accumulation range. High, low. We'll actually keep the POC on here. I think it's telling. So right now the most volume has been traded in this range that we're in. So either it's accumulation or redistribution. I mean, for now it looks to me like accumulation. Would I enter here? No. I'd want to see price get back above 307. Basically this level we tested up here for two reasons. One, this is a here, let me lower this a bit actually. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, so first thing, POC is at 279, and we're having some trouble closing beneath it today on the daily. We haven't been able to do so since early September. So if there is some bullishness or some, type of fundamental, something coming up, like you said in chat, that's good. Oh, you're fit. Hold up. Yo, Panama, what's up, dude? Yeah, I can't hear you, bro. Yeah, let me straighten up. Maybe we could try Discord. Yeah, you have Discord, right? I think. Yeah, what's your Discord? Okay, there you go. Alright, 1 second. Sorry, homies. Okay, I'm gonna close the hangout.
What's up?
Hey! What's up, dude?
Fine? All good, man.
Beautiful. Yo, everyone in chat, this is Panama Crypto, my friend from Central America. See, I'm learning a bit now.
What's up, guys?
But yeah, man, how's your day going?
All good, man. Just got back from lunch.
Ooh, what'd you have?
Mexican Monday.
That sounds pretty fucking good. Man, what the fuck did
I hear my feedback. Do you have me on speaker?
What's up? What's that, dude?
Do you have me on the speaker? Because I hear my feedback.
It might be because you have Twitch on volume. Is that possible?
Probably. Give me a second.
You have to choose between Twitter and your live stream on a phone. It says check, you live forever. Yeah, decisions, my friend. Yeah, what do you know where... No idea. Do I know where Bitcoin's going? No.
I think it's good now.
Yeah, beautiful. Yeah. Does it sound good now?
Yeah, trying to.
Oh, wow. Yo, this shit dumped. I'm looking at the exchange token perpetual swaps. Wow. Have you tried FTX yet, Panama? Yo, dog, you there? Panama! Panama! I can't hear you anymore.
Can you hear now?
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I can hear you now. Say something so I know you're still there.
I'm gonna turn off the volume for Twitch.
Okay, cool.
Oh, that's much better. Yeah.
Yeah, yo, dude, I always have so many technical difficulties on Twitter. Punani coin, you're funny. Oh man,
Finally
dude.
figured out.
Huh?
So what you have for lunch, man?
Honestly, all I had today was coffee. I didn't eat yet.
Why not?
Hmm?
Why not? It's already like 4 p.m.
Yeah, I know. Well, I had a late dinner. Went and had like a bit of octopus. I had fish and chips as my main meal, but I had some salmon tartare as an entree and some octopus that I shared with my girlfriend. That was fucking good. But I was
Nice.
so...
A girlfriend now, that's official, huh?
Yeah.
Cool.
It's Twitter official now, you know?
Nice. Congrats, man.
Thanks, man. Thank you, sir. But
So yeah, you went to FTX on Friday due to the excessive chilling, look it over. And to my disappointment, you had to do KYC.
yeah, man, I had to show them my left nut for this. But yeah, but you don't have to do KYC. They have something now where if you withdraw a max of 2K a day, you don't need KYC. So if you're a whale, you'd probably have to, but you know, if you're playing with like 10, 20, 30,000 and you don't mind withdrawing 2K a day if ever you have to get in or out, then it could be interesting.
Yeah, I'm a small sardine, so 2K a day is perfect.
Yeah, man. Use my ref link, bro. I'm just kidding. But yeah, try it out. It's a lot of fun.
I signed into FTX and bought some FTT.
Ooh, so you married it.
I did what, sorry?
You married it. You bought the native token. I like it.
Yeah, but I'm not holding it on FTX.
You're not what?
I'm not holding it in FTX.
Uh-huh.
I have it on. Give me a second. I don't remember right now. Was it in BitMax? Yeah, in BitMax.
Oh yeah. That's true. You could trade that there. That's where I first got some, I believe. Was on BitMax.
Yeah, and the volume there is fine actually.
Yeah. Hold up, I'll make a quick Twitter post.
Hey you.
Hey, welcome to Bagsy TV. Shitcoin Master. Yo, that's a good name for a Twitch channel. What? Dude, Shitcoin Master, straight up, unadulterated. That's beautiful. Yeah, I'm actually curious. Hold up. Coin Paprika. I want to see if FTX is listed yet. Okay, the token is listed. I want to see if the exchange is listed. Exchanges. Oh, it's not listed yet on Coin Paprika. Let's check CoinMarketCap.
It isn't. It is there. Do you mean the trading volume, FTX?
Oh, okay, it's on here. Yeah. Oh no, but the detail. Yeah, the trading volume on FTX. Yeah, it's not on CoinMarketCap.
No, only the token.
White Phantom Bagstein. This is a shitcoin Jackson. I'm gonna make a song of samples of you bombing along to your lo-fi. I mean, I can't stop you. I'm afraid now, but I might have to stop using lo-fi. Oh, that's funny.
Yo, Baxi,
What's up, dude?
what coins do you have, Ryan?
On my list to chart, or in my pocket?
On your pocket.
Ooh, I got Bitcoin, man. And
Come on.
and I have an FTM bag from
Oh, Phantom, yeah, I have some.
from a long time ago. And
I'm gonna tell you what I got right now.
go for it, bro. That's about what I have.
Cardano, Aeon, Anchor, BAT. I got some Binance Coin, some Seller, some Chiliz, CND, Syndicator, Dusk, some Ethereum.
Jesus, you got a whole list.
Some FTT, some Phantom,
Yeah.
some Fetch AI. I got some GoChain, some Icon, some Insular, Chainlink. Today I bought some Liz, some Mana, some Matril, some Terra, some VeChain, some XRP, some Tezos, and some 0x.
Yeah, yo. The day that altcoins pump, you're gonna be the happiest boy on the planet. Man, I couldn't even track all that. I think I'd lose a wallet or two. Have you ever lost a wallet, bro?
Fortunately, no.
Smart. Fuck.
Have you?
Yes. I got it back though, but there was a catch. So I had a laptop that was encrypted, and one day it died. The hard drive died, whatever, so I couldn't recuperate my files the regular way. And the problem is I had a bunch of wallet files on it, and the only way for me to do it was to do it properly, so I spent roughly $3,000 to recoup the laptop. But the problem was, by the time that because I had to mail it across the continent to the other side, and then there's like a few weeks of repair, and then they had to send it back. So long story short, I think the value of my shitcoins dropped like 50% during the time I sent. Dude, it wasn't even worth the fucking price of the repair when I got it back. I was so pissed, man.
Fuck.
Don't be like me, guys. Don't be
What
like.
coin was that?
Sorry.
What coin was it?
Mostly IIC, actually.
I see.
Some fucking shitcoin.
Intelligent investment chain. Oh.
Yeah, let's hold up. Yeah, where was this? But yeah, it was tough, man. Yeah, I was around like this. Like this is where I had it. Laptop died. This is where I got it back, something like that. But no, sorry, no, that doesn't make sense. Hold up. This is where I got it. That's where I got it back.
Why Santa want me to repeat the list?
What's that? Oh, someone wants you to repeat?
I'm just gonna type it over.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yo, what's up, Urban Hero? How you doing, bro? What's up? Square up. Yeah, what's going on, man? Alright, what else do we have on this fucking list of... Alright, myth. Ugh. That actually looks good. Oh, woe is me. I mean, this candle's nice. This one's good. I don't know, T1, T2, something like that. Oh, you could do it in 3 levels: 194, 218, 245. Hopefully, you catch a scam wick or something. Alright, Ravencoin. Viva la Panama. Yeah. Viva la Panama, bro. QNT. A lot of people are in QNT. I'll get to that one shortly.
That Nightbot is stopping me from sharing.
What? Oh no, really?
This time bot.
You can keep.
I'm just gonna send it to you, and
You can still type it though. I think.
Individually?
No. Like just like keep. I don't think it'll ban you or. I don't know. Maybe it will. I have no idea. Maybe like. Fuck. You wanna give it to me and I'll type it fast. This is so complicated.
No, there.
You sent it to me on Discord?
Yeah.
Cool. Bam. Alright, so... Let's see if...
I'm Bill Jump Carter, and I'm excited to be back.
Okay. Boom, there you go.
Nice.
Alright. Alright, so where are we with Ravencoin? Yeah, so the other time I streamed, I put the 320 level as a support. So far we've wicked into it. Decent buyback, volume's kind of, I don't know. It's not great. So I like to see where the daily closes here. I'm still leaning bullish.
I don't that Raven Saturday, Sunday.
What's that, dude? Sorry?
I bought some Raven sub 300, but don't put it like yesterday or Saturday. I don't know.
Hey. So we'll see where the daily closes. Ideally, if we can get back above 334 on a closing basis, then I think we go to 363 at the least. But overall, let's put this on the weekly. Yeah, big picture, like we're still trending beneath the POC, so the highest volume horizontal level, and so far it's been acting as a resistance, at least on our last weekly candle. Ideally, like big frame, if we can get above 346 on like 2 weekly closes or something, then it's possible we might see some type of reversal, but we first need to get above there, I think. But yeah, that's just for confirmation. I mean, so far it's looking good. All right, hold up. I have a friend coming over. I just have to write to him. Don't want him to like just walk in and be like, "Yo," and then yell my name. I swear it happened to me too. All right, hold up. Where the fuck did you write back to me? Oh, yeah. If you guys have any questions in chat, let us know. You guys work so hard trading these shit coins. This trade legacy markets. You've been trying to convert me for the longest, man.
Is that a new mask, Taxi?
What's the last one you saw?
Wasn't a black one?
Yeah, I've had this one for quite a bit. Jesus Christ. Sorry. Everyone decides to call me when I'm doing streams. And when I'm not doing a stream, not a fucking word.
Yeah, white fans, so Danilo Perez is a killer player, man.
346.
He plays every February here on the Jazz Festival. Very
yeah.
fucking good.
Alright, link. It's a nice, well, that's quite good so far.
Why did pump like on May? May you pump?
Yeah, what about it?
Do you have any idea why it pumped? I completely missed it.
Why it pumped?
We're chilling in like crazy.
Yeah.
It's like Satoshi Flipper, I think.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I think, well, for two reasons. One, it was they just started releasing news, and people must have known about Google and all that shit back here or here. As soon as we formed a support above this level, and that volume is growing on the weekly, man, dude, this is crazy. This is pure craziness. Like, I wasn't even looking at Link right away, and then next thing you know, it pumped like 300%, and you're like, what?
Yeah, I missed completely.
Yeah. Urban Heroes giving some financial advice in the lobby. I love it. But yeah, man. So overall, to me, Link is looking pretty good. If we can get a weekly close above 18.5, that'd be great. Resistance would be 21k. So it's possible we wick into it, reject. Then if we're able to form support at this level, consolidate, get back above, then that'd be the bullish scenario. Do I think it's gonna happen? I don't know. I think ultimately 21k will be the deciding factor. And this is where I'd fully get out, wait for a reaction, see how it closes, and then judge for myself if I weren't along from below. It would just make sense. Cool. VeChain.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, I mean,
Probably one of the coins with the best fundamentals out there, but it's not doing anything right now.
I couldn't speak for that, but I'll take your word for it. What I like about VeChain is just like we're able to simply reclaim this SR level as support, so far. I mean, CCI showing a bit of bearishness. But until we close beneath 40 sats, I'll remain bullish here. No close beneath 40. Target 60. Target 50. And I think that's like 22% or something like that. I'd set a stop loss probably like 38 or something. 39, 40. No, 39, 38.
Yeah, the urban hero says you respect the trend on shitcoins. That's all I'm trying to say. Actually, Bax is really conservative on entries.
Yeah.
Like me, I'm really aggressive. But Bax is
Yeah.
conservative.
Yeah, it's a good point he brings up as well, because overall trend is extremely fucking bearish. So the conditions, and the reason why I speak like this as well is because the people asking me for charts and stuff, they're in position most of the time, I think. So the logical thing for me is to like give the best case scenario for a long, whereas like Urban's pointing out, like this hasn't even really, made much of a bullish argument in a while. So he's absolutely right. But yeah, I'm very cautious with like what I trade now. Very. I'm sure it's the same for you, Panama. Do you consider yourself more like an investment style trader, or?
I could say, all depends. I have some backs for the long term, but as soon as the chart turns bearish, I tend to dump it. So I guess I'm more of a scalper.
Yeah, Tezos just got listed on fucking Binance, and
I
still
bet
having
Tunis
trouble.
is really happy about that.
What's that? Yeah.
Where's Tunis, by the way?
Where is he?
Working?
He probably just got off work. Yeah. Fuck. High time frame, we made a higher low. We're above the POC of the entire range, which is good. We'd absolutely need to hold this level as support, so I wouldn't want to see anything like get beneath that. Probably this, something like that. But you never know what's going on behind the company, and that's the hard part too. You don't know always what they're doing with their supply. If you don't do your research, you don't read the white paper, you don't know when they're, what the schedule is for when they're allowed to dump coins. There's so many things. Like, let's say the CEO dumps 10% on market, like some have done in the past. Like, it's so finicky trading these coins that sometimes, if you don't have a patient strategy, it could go to ruin really quickly. And that's not to discourage anyone, obviously, but you have to do your research. Unless you're just trading coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum, high liquidity contracts where, fundamentally they're pretty sound, then you can trade the chart more. The point is, always do your research. Yeah. You need tight profit target with discipline entry to trade shitcoins. Absolutely. And usually like the worst, like the farthest entry that just doesn't seem likely to happen that it'll touch will likely get touched. So you could often set bids way below at some key support levels, and you'll catch a wick, and then you'll be like, holy fuck, I just made some money. Instead of entering and having sometimes even a tight stop loss and then getting wicked out, stopped, price retraces, then bounces and keeps going up without you. That's another tough thing about having stop losses on these shitcoins, is that depending on your strategy, you'll probably get stopped. Middle of the range is for the pigs.
Yeah, they always get slaughtered.
Alright, where's this?
Yeah, definitely. Especially if you're trading volumes. I mean, quantity of trades, you need to be disciplined. Doesn't matter your technique, really. Because if you fuck up your discipline, then you will always be trading more than you can really lose.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'd say. Alright, Nexo. Last time I looked at Nexo, something was messed up with the chart. This is a long time ago, though. Oh, this is looking really good. Nice. So yeah, so this is on the weekly. Bullish divergence on the MFI. Where does this fucking close? Never will use this one. Volume's increasing. First real resistance is going to be around, what is this? Let's use the close. There, like 12.8. Actually, yeah, I'd take it a bit lower. This is more important. 12.45. So I think we'll see a wick into that. That's going to be resistance. Probably get rejected on the first try. Target. And then see if you can get a weekly close above that. Then next level I'd look for is 15.8. And what is this? I'd say 20k. 1988, something like that. I don't know if this is going to really go all the way there. It's a bit early. But I'd personally cut most, if not all, my position at 12.45. And that is roughly 18%, something like that. 21%. That's still pretty fucking good. That's what I'd do. Link we already did. Alright, Ren. Damn, that was a disappointing weekly. Boom, 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 boom. So for now, until close back above, I'd say it's like 525. I think we're gonna see potentially the bottom of the range. Let's see on lower time frames here. Yeah, I mean, for now it just looks like it was just a little dead cat. I think ultimately we could tap the liquidity down here around the low 300s. And if we remember correctly, if I pull up Ren on CoinTrader Pro, okay, it's about the same thing. I mean, technically this low has been respected twice, so I think it's likely if we dip into it that it should bounce, hypothetically. I know a lot of people do like this coin and find that it has good fundamentals, so I don't see why it wouldn't if the fundamentals, make sense. Even though fundamentals don't always mean much in terms of price. However, if Ren were to, let's say, lose the support to me, it would tell me two things. One, either people don't feel the same way about the project. Maybe the inflation's fucked up. Maybe someone's dumping. Like, if we were to lose this with some type of bearish retest, that'd be really bad. And that just, I wouldn't want to get back into position until we saw some type of reclaim. So ideally, I think this would hold like it has before. But if you see some shit, I mean, could be interesting to cut that portion, but we'll see. I know a lot of people probably have bids at that level, so it's probably good for the first reaction. And then the last time that we were there, we spent a month in this in this part of the range at the low. The time before that, 3 weeks. So it's very possible we spend a bit of time down here if price actually breaks back beneath and does something like that. I think that's the most logical guess to me. Can I hop on for 30 seconds to describe a profitable yet fun approach to trading shitcoins? Yeah, sure. Why not? Why not? Is it possible to get 2 people in here, Panama?
You tell me. I don't have a podcast.
Alright, hold up.
Oh, yeah, actually, I think on Discord you can.
Alright, yo, Urban, hit me up on Discord. Alright, so Adam, I mean, shit, man. I mean, ideally, you're gonna want to see this level hold. I think it's like 2.6k sats, something like that. So far, the trend's pretty fucking bearish. So
Hey, you.
the
Welcome to
volume of
Bags
the last
TV.
couple of weeks have been all right. Yo, what's up, Manasiri? Welcome to Bags TV. Yo, you can have 3 in a call. Yeah, cool. Yeah, just hit me up on Discord, sir. Are there any projects that are exciting you, Panama?
Yeah, Tesla's now that it got listed on Binance.
Okay. 1 second.
What else? Let me look at my bags.
Cool.
Some
Alright.
people were chilling a lot the FTT that's probably gonna pull up Binance run. So I don't know, like if he managed to get like use a fraction of Binance volume, it may happen.
Okay.
What else? I actually think VeChain is very undervalued currently. What else?
Alright, let me see if I can add
I
this
don't know
guy.
about the rest.
Alright, hold up. Okay, let me see if this works. Alright, yo.
Can you guys hear me?
Hey, what's up, buddy?
What's up? Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Or-
man.
Hold on, I gotta fix my Discord shit real quick.
Cool.
Okay.
Yeah,
So yeah,
Yeah, sorry,
Wait.
but let me just. Is Panama isn't part of the call yet? Yo, Panama.
I think
can
he
you-
left.
Oh, okay. Maybe I can re-invite him or something. Hold up. Sorry about that.
No,
Oh, you got dumped. Hold on. He's like, I got dumped on the call. 1 second, buddy. 1 second. How can I invite him?
he should be able to join since he's a member of a call.
Yeah. So go back in the group and maybe there's a join call button, Panama. Hey.
All right, I'm ringing him. Hold on.
All right, cool. Oh, thanks.
Yo,
Hey.
what's up?
All right. So what were you saying, Urban?
So yeah, a lot of people that get into like altcoins, I'll use the term altcoin for now, but I would want to say shitcoin. A lot of people that get into it kind of get married to their bags, which is fine. You're allowed to have fun while you trade, but a practical approach to getting over that emotional barrier is taking a bulk profit target. So you don't have to sell all of your bag. You just sell a majority of your bag when price retests a zone that it hasn't retested in a long time. And by doing this, you can move the remaining part that you choose not to close at your end. You could put an entry for your stop loss to lock in profits and still be able to quote unquote hodl. But you have to manage the risk regardless, because as a lot of you know, this altcoin market is pretty unforgiving if you're greedy. You can't be greedy.
Yeah, absolutely, man. Well said.
Totally.
Yeah, let me pull up chat. Yeah, it's dumping right now.
There's a black screen on stream though. Your charts are there.
Oh shit, you're right. Thank you. Yeah, so Bitcoin's dumping right now.
Yeah, I have a pretty good short on Bitcoin. I'm also long from. I actually might get stopped out of my long and profit here, depending on whether or not we tag under liquidity. But yeah, crypto, the way the market's forming, when we have these lower highs on the macro scale, and then you have a retest of support, essentially creating a liquidity at a certain price point. That price point being, let me pull up my Bitcoin chart. It should be the monthly range high of June that we've been respecting, I believe. But when we have resting liquidity and we keep testing a support with insignificant highs, ultimately we're just consolidating into a dump. Now, I'm not saying that dump is going to be significant. I'm not even saying that we're going to remain down there for a long time. It could be a wick, but this is what the market is showing me right now. And I could be wrong, obviously, because it's not guaranteed to happen, but I could definitely see a wick downward.
Yeah.
Not to say that it's going to actually dump hard.
Yeah, there's some interesting levels. What do you think would hold on a wick?
Shit. I am not planning on adding to my long at this point, so I can't recommend a spot. I would say if you wanted to be really, really safe, 9111, so 9,111. Yeah. That's the range high of. Let me see what month this is. Range high of May, yeah. Okay.
Oh, interesting. Also the range low of July.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Respected it. So it's a controversial zone, right? So it's been retested plenty of times, and so it can kind of be equated to the 6K range in 2018 for Bitcoin, where we had insignificant highs being made and a retest of that support, that resting liquidity.
Yeah.
So we can assume that the majority of the stop losses, the majority of the money is to the downside. And so when you look at profitability, it's going to go down. Like it's hard for me to say with certainty because I could obviously be wrong and it could go up.
Yeah.
No doubt in my mind I could be wrong.
Yeah.
But I just want to position myself for just in case that downside does exist in the future. And also having a profit target for your short, like if you were to short Bitcoin, you got to make sure you have a profit target, because if it wicks downward, you're not going to have time to close the position. You got to get the pigs to fill your order.
Well, thank you, sir. Man, I know guys like Donald, for example, they have resting bids in like the low 7Ks. Low 8K, some in the 6. Like in case there's some type of disastrous news, you know, where you do get some type of crazy wick into there. That's another interesting strategy.
It's interesting, but what I would say is if you're gonna long Bitcoin at this point, what you're aiming for is to close the loser quick and then let the winner ride. So if you're gonna try and long it, have a tight stop loss. If you get stopped out, oh well, you try and long it at a lower level. Because ultimately, if you get married to a long and price starts going down, there's no saving your position. So just make sure that you have a stop loss that's relatively tight, just to protect. Just because longing here, it's actually probably not the worst idea given where price is at on the bi-monthly, but I personally wouldn't do it based off of macro market structure. And so based on market structure, you want to really protect risk when you're longing Bitcoin.
Yo, Revenge, chill us or your Twitter handle.
Okay. I'm kind of inactive, but I appreciate it. This is my Twitter guy. Most of you probably know me from fucking whether it be controversial news. I don't really use this app that much, but
What kind of controversial news?
rather not get into it, honestly.
Fair enough.
I already follow you, man.
Oh yeah, no, I remember you, Panama. You've actually been an earlier follower of my account. One of the bigger accounts to follow me early.
But you don't follow me.
I don't follow anybody, dude. Like okay, so I'll be blunt with you guys, and like I personally believe that there's only a handful of people on crypto Twitter that can actually trade. I think that a lot of the people on crypto Twitter, following them is a negative influence because like whether it depends on whether or not your filter of what they're saying is strong. Like for me personally, my filter of what other traders say isn't as strong. So to protect that, I just follow less people. Now, if you have a strong filter and you don't mind memes and like people just giving you random charts that may or may not work, then you'll be fine with following whoever you want. But me personally, I just don't follow a lot of people.
Yeah, there's too much noise in Twitter. And some people are easily influenced by what some people say there. So it might be beneficial for some people not to use Twitter when trading.
Absolutely, dude. Yeah, 100%. 100%. You can use some as like, you know, what I like to do is just I get inspiration from some people who see something. So that makes me look at the coin, but I don't use it to formulate my strategy anymore. But it could be a useful tool if someone over time is actually, you know, reliable. It's rare, but you can always look at that.
Well, there's definitely gems. Don't get me wrong. Like I'm not saying
yeah.
I don't mean quite literally all of CT because there are people on crypto Twitter and even people that haven't produced good content in the past are still capable of producing good content in the future. So it's every tweet should be evaluated based off merit. Don't get me wrong, but like just my expectations have like diminished over time. Understanding like most of the people on that app don't know what it takes to actually make money on the market, and it's proven by what they tweet.
What's the number one thing you've seen that kind of throws you into that where you're like, yeah,
it's usually like risk management and discipline is a really good way to identify somebody who doesn't actually trade. But when they're filling their charts with lagging indicators, it usually shows you that they watched some YouTube video and they think this strategy is going to work. Lagging indicators are pretty big. I mean, don't get me wrong, when I was an amateur trader, I used some like relative strength index and on balance volume, but you just learn over time that literally, I'm going to have to use the word again, literally time is not important, and where price is and where price has been is much more important than anything relative to time.
Even the
duration, price action.
Even the duration of how long a coin is at support in comparison to prior tests, or time is in like the time of the year. You know what I mean?
I just believe that the x-axis, when we have tools that revolve around the x-axis, besides volume, and they're they're lagging tools, meaning they're trying to look backwards to find you an answer versus looking at the right now.
Like moving averages, for example.
Yeah, moving averages, exactly. Like, you will have instances where moving averages work, and those will get a ton of retweets and likes. But all the instances where they don't work, you'll never hear about it. Like, you can trade based off moving averages as long as you have like a bulletproof risk management formula. But like, retail traders just don't have that. Like, most of these people in here, not to stereotype, but they probably risk more than 0.5% of their account on any given trade. So like, that just shows that most people on crypto Twitter are like retail. If you risk more than 1% to 2%, that you're kind of like not understanding the downside and risk of what we're doing right now. Like, trading is, you always have to be ready for the downside.
That's a good lesson. Boom, 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 boom. What's up, Porky? How you doing, bro? See in chat. What's up? What are your favorite indicators? Price action, you said, Urban?
Volume is any indicator around volume. So like, volume profiles, basic volume. You could get away with on-balance volume, but once you know how to really read charts, you don't really need on-balance anymore.
Okay. So you're able to actually look at the volume candle and see what the OBV would be telling you, basically.
Right. I mean, all OBV is how the candle closed and how big the candle was. So if you can visualize that after looking at thousands of charts, you don't really need it. And honestly, what you're looking for when you're trading off OBV is divergence. You're not trading on overbought, oversold. And divergence will become pretty easy to spot the longer you trade with RSI or OBV. But it's not like these methods of trading aren't high success rates by any means. I would argue that they're probably under 50%. So trading with indicators. So you would need an institutionalized risk management approach to properly make money trading off indicators. And if you're risking a lot per trade, you've probably gone to zero on your account already, because crypto's been in a bear market for a while.
It's like, I'm still alive, motherfucker, with my $2.
Literally, it's rough, dude. That's what I'm saying. Like, shitcoins, it's, in order to, you gotta really know what you're doing. Like, trading a bull market is very easy. It's very hard to trade, to lose money in a bull market. I mean, you gotta really be trading emotionally to lose money in a bull market. But in a bear market, it shows you, it teaches you how to properly trade, because you can't look for a far profit target. The second you look for a far profit target, the coin has left that range and gone lower. So if you're greedy and you think the coin's gotta have more of a rally to it, and you're waiting for it to have more of a rally, you're gonna get your ass kicked on this market. And that's just why you need to split your profit targets, and you need to be conservative with what you believe, where you believe price is gonna go. And like I said earlier, you can always keep a small portion of the position open. So if you have like a bulk profit target that's really conservative to lock in profits, you can keep 20% of the position open, move your stop loss to the entry, and then just let it ride. That way you still have a quote unquote bag, right? So it's just a way to protect downside in the case that your prediction doesn't work out the way you think it should. Because certainty is bullshit on financial markets. There's no certainty. There's just preparing for what could.
What is dead will never die, says Porky. Oh man, yo, you fucking missed the stream with Sam, dude. I'm disappointed. I was gonna bring you on and have you ask a question, but yeah, it was cool having Sam from FTX on over the weekend. Really smart dude. Have you heard of Sam from Alameda? Urban?
I've heard of Alameda and FTX. I don't know of their owners.
Okay. Yeah, Sam is a quant trader and ex like Wall Street, and he basically opened up Alameda Research. They do market making and shit, and then they opened up FTX. Fucking brilliant dude. He's only 27, and he's already done all that. So, fucking guy. Any thoughts on RCN? Didn't that shit pump?
ICN?
Hey. Oh, looks like I gave a setup a while back. Looks like it worked out and then some. Crazy. Let me delete this.
I'm wondering how much volume Alameda trades because I haven't actually looked at like their monthly volume of trading.
Good question. I don't know.
What I will say is having them is I mean, this is kind of me speculating, but from what I've observed, they sweep stop losses typically. So having them do that allows you to position yourself to take the same trade they're trying to take. So it's one thing to be disciplined and waiting at the waiting for price to retest a zone that it hasn't retested in a long time. It's another thing to not get stopped out of that trade.
Okay.
And their goal is to stop you out of that trade. That's how they make the most amount of money, where the most amount of stop losses are. That's, I mean, if you have the most amount of money on the market, your biggest obstacle is finding enough people to counter trade you.
To get in or
So
out.
you look for liquidity. Where is there a ton of liquidity in stop losses? Because those all act at the same time instead of something that, you know, it's like, that's just how Alameda thinks, in my opinion. How I've seen them like on intraday scalping and stuff. Intraday scalping on Bitcoin is usually sweep stop losses at the liquidity tag, and then reverse back into the bulk profit target. And whatever it does from there is usually random. But those first things that I mentioned is pretty consistent if you want to day trade Bitcoin.
I'll have to study them closer. So yeah,
It's
RCN,
just being disciplined.
how
sorry, go
long
ahead.
how long did it take you to learn that? Discipline.
It could take like 2+ years. Some people it would take a year, but that's kind of bullshit. Like people that are profitable after a year of trading are an outlier. So like learning how to sit on your hands. I mean, what I do is I have 2 computers. I have one for entertainment, media, gaming, whatever, and then I have another in my office for trading. Because as we all know, it's really easy to just give your money, the money that you made, back to the market if you're not being 100% disciplined at all times. So you want to, like, psychology behind trading is you should look at it, it's not you versus the market, it's you versus yourself, and whether or not you can control yourself to make money. If you blame the market for the reason you're not ever make money.
Yeah, that's a good point. Have you ever found yourself blaming the market?
What's up? Sorry, I
Have
think
you ever-
I lagged up.
Have you ever found yourself blaming the market in your early days?
Yeah, no, it's natural. I mean, like, the thing is, human emotions, like greed, fear, those kind of things are the reason why people can make money on the market. Because humans are always not acting. I mean, not always, but like we can make the inference
Hey, you.
that
Welcome to Bad
humans
City.
likely act on emotion. That's the reason why we have volatility. Without volatility, there's no money to be made. You can't make money if the price doesn't move, and the price only moves if people are willing to. As a trader, as a profitable trader, your goal first and foremost should be the best position you can get. Because you're not playing poker and there isn't a big blind coming around to blind you out, you can wait for pocket aces as long as you want. So you wait for your pocket aces and you still have a stop loss because pocket aces can still lose. But essentially it's sitting on your hands and waiting until price retests that rare zone that it got rejected off of, and then you can make an entry from there, or just have resting bids.
Yeah, I like resting bids as a strat.
I mean, that's proper trading, is resting bids. Like market ordering and like breakout trading, those kind of traders have a short lifespan. Some of them do well and get lucky, but that's because we're in a casino rotation business. It's risk. Very, very few of them end up making money. Most breakout traders will lose their account, within a year. So what I would say is be disciplined, wait for retest. If you chase price, you're just another pig getting led into the slaughter.
Well, thank you, sir.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab another beer, hop off, and then probably do some shit. But thanks for having me on.
Yo, take it easy, bro. Thanks for coming on.
See you later, Panama.
Later, man.
Bagsy.
Peace.
See you on Twitter.
Yeah, that was Urban TA, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I got a buddy coming over. Hey, anytime, Urban. Any fucking time, man. Yeah, we got a good stream going today. So yeah, let's look at Bitcoin quick.
Where you see Bitcoin going, Bagsy?
0.
No fucking way.
I'm just messing. Damn, that's actually a pretty fucking nasty daily so far. I'll tell you after the daily close. How about that? But to be completely honest, I'm more bullish than bearish. I agree with what Urban was saying about 9-1. I don't know if it's gonna reach that on a wick or something. It could, and it would make sense. I'd even aim farther, like 8.8, 8.9, in case. But if we can get a daily close back above 10-1, which is the POC, then like bullish bias would make sense. But so far it just looks like it's breaking down, unfortunately. So as of now, I'm holding on to a bullish hope. You?
Overall bullish, but I don't know. That's like for this week, where is it gonna close? Looks like it's going down to next fifth level, which is 8.5, but I'm still not sure.
How did you pull your fibs based off the wick from the low to the high?
Yeah, the wick. Yeah,
Okay.
the low of this year and the high of this year. So it would be like the bottom would be something like 3.1, and the top would be 13.9.
Yeah, so 8.520 is the 0.5.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, okay, that lines up all right. Are you a big fib trader for higher time frames?
For the long term, yeah.
Okay.
So we haven't quite clearly broken. Yeah, as you say, you want to see the closing of the day
Yeah.
under 9.7, actually 9.795.
Mm-hmm.
So actually lean towards bearish.
Yeah, because of the 0.38.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, interesting. Yeah, yo, everyone in chat, are you guys bullish or bearish here? Give me some help. We will touch 96, says Porky.
Do you think people will get the chance to get to 7, low 7?
I think it would take a special situation. Yeah, that would make sense. Yet again, the 618 is a lot. It is a possible retracement level. I think it really just depends what these guys want to do, like that institutional money. These guys are determining what's going to happen. But if it's based off gold or prior fractals, I mean, this is what gold did basically. It just went up. So if it plays out like gold has in the past, I'd lean bullish, which is one reason why I'm leaning bullish. I think this is a fake out. But we'll see. Yeah, I get bearish as fuck. Yeah. Yeah, let me look at Matic quick. I mean, technically, we're still at, like, quote-unquote support. However, it's, you know, daily's looking pretty bad. Lost the POC. Like, I've been pretty bearish about Matic. A lot of people were bullish, and I get it. I don't know. Are you bullish on Matic, man? You have a bag, right?
Matic, I had some until yesterday.
Interesting. What did you see that you, or you just wanted to change bags? Were you bearish? Like, what did you see that you didn't like?
I had an entry, let me see the hourly chart. I had an entry at 127 on September 13.
Yeah.
Once it dumped under 131, I let it go.
Okay.
I'm not sure if it's gonna lean bearish there, so I'm not trying to pick a community bag.
Absolutely. Like 131's an interesting level. If you're bullish, you really want to see a daily close above that. Until then, I mean, I don't know. This is weird price action.
Yeah, things might be consolidating there, but I like to few more days at that price level to get in. I thought it was gonna pump like early last week, but it was like a relief pump there.
Yeah. Matic. Bearish. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. What's interesting? I only have a few more minutes, so I'm gonna look at ERD because someone in chat's been asking about that. So yeah, ERD. I mean, that one I made a chart about at 22 sats here. Fully got out of position at 25. Was a really good choice because this wick was just disastrous. And now I'm out of position. This rejection is really nasty. I wasn't expecting that. But 25 was a logical area to get out just because it was a former floor and resistance, so that was well done. But for now, I mean, we could very easily retest 16, the range low. I think that'd make the most sense because right now the highest volume on the daily was this wick. It's not as if we've been going through like some crazy accumulation phase. I could be wrong, but I think it would be safer to layer some bids, 16 to 17 sats, and then try to play a quick scalp to 18, 19, close out. You know, maybe set a stop beneath, like set a manual stop in this case, in case you just see a wick to 15 and then bounce back. And that could get you something like 15% or so, 19 to 14, 15. That could work out. It's a good bat. One second, guys. Sorry. Alright. Okay, what the fuck did I draw here? Well, wow, this wick was dirty. Ultimately, so far, bearish retest of the former low that led to this high, support, bearish retest. So like on the daily, weekly, I'd really want to see price get above 21.25. I'd probably set a stop somewhere beneath like 17.79 or something. It's fair. I think it's more likely than not that we do wick into the bottom here. And you could have like a manual stop if you start like, you know, if it isn't a strong reaction, then you can get out. Ultimately, I think I was targeting the, where is it? the like 1,000 sat area, 1.15, like the low. But knowing me, I'd probably get stopped out, not stopped out, but I'd probably get front run right here, and then Panama would laugh at me with his bat bag because he made like 500x, and I got left in the dust. Boom, boom, boom. Yo, what's up, Laurus? How you doing, bro? Yeah, LTC fucking dumped. XRP right now. Let's see. Man, that's a nasty 12-hour candle. It's ridiculous. Nasty daily. Another 2 hours till the end of that. You bullish on Ripple? Sir?
I'm bullish on Ripple. Actually, yeah. Shame to say it. Yo, do you use Tensor charts?
What?
Do you use
Tensor charts? No, do you?
Yeah.
Do you find them useful?
It gives me some like sense of the activity of the whales. I'm not sure with you like
Yeah, like I've seen people employ them, but I've never used it as part of my strategy. Boom, boom. BitMEX order book spoofed. Other than that, Tensor's good on spot exchanges like Binance. Interesting. Even Brad G is ashamed of his XRP. Says Chris Richards. That's funny. Yeah, Phantom's been pretty.
Is it Urban? Is it Poof for BitMEX?
It's what? What's that?
Urban is saying like BitMEX order book is Poof on Tensor charts.
Yeah, that's what he's saying.
Other than that, for spot exchanges.
Yeah. Yeah, for Phantom, ideally, you don't want to see lose the 148. Could see a wick into it if it does like it did previously, and doesn't close beneath 150. That'd be better. So yeah. Hold up. Oh, FTM wasn't even there. We'll add it.
Read the balls if I'm still on CND. Yeah, I'm still on CND. If it goes below 89, I'm gonna dump.
Deckard,
I got it in at 67. No, 67.
It's tough. Like, I mean, technically, I think it's more logical than not that you'd see a bounce here. However, just looking at Deckard over time, it's not a bullish asset. It hasn't even been able to really make any type of higher lows since ever. So I mean,
do you know that Decred has one of the worst inflation curves?
I had no idea.
I didn't either. I was a big fan of Decred before.
Here, let me look it up. Deckard. It doesn't show the. Well, right now half of its circulating supply is on market. What do you know the inflation on it, dude?
Let me look for it. I did a post
Really?
a few months back. I got it here. I'm not sure what it is.
Hey, Karush.
Check your Discord.
What's that, dude? Ah, okay.
Check your
Yeah,
Discord.
yeah. Okay, that's the tensor chart. Yeah.
The message after the tensor chart.
Yeah. I was just Deckard's 27%. Under 27%.
It's worse than Zcash.
Interesting.
Like you got there like BTC's less than 4%, Ethereum's like 5%, so on. Out of the big caps, it's one of the biggest inflations.
Yeah, Bitcoin's 3.02. Yeah, Zcash, it says 35% on this website. I don't know if it's extremely accurate or not, but I saw Alex Kruger share it the other day. He's an economist. Do you know Kruger Macro?
What was that?
Do you know Kruger Macro? Alex Kruger?
Oh, yes, of course.
Yeah, so he shared this website, viewbase.com, and you could see like the inflation of some cryptos and stuff. Interesting. Boom, boom. Yeah. Yo, ladies and gents, I actually have to boogie. I have a friend coming over right now. So, yo, if you guys are not already, please give Panama TJ a follow if you've liked his spoken word so far.
Man.
He's a cool dude. Dude, it was good having you on, man. And enjoy your night. And we'll have you on another Wednesday night crypto chat at some point.
All right, man. Good to have me here, man.
Yeah. You everyone in chat, thanks for coming around. I appreciate you. And I'll be going live throughout the week.
Good talking to you, man.
Peace, dude. Yeah. So, ladies and gents, have a great fucking day. Catch you later. Thank you, Urban, for coming on as well.